I think I would have given up making this cover if I hadn't thought of the solution. Hello everyone! These are the materials you would need to make a DIY phone case. A pair of scissors, a glue stick or any clear glue, a clear plastic phone case, and of course, a magazine for pictures.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing.
Here I'm just flipping all the images that I have right in front of me so that I could easily choose and select a pattern that I want to create on my phone.
I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone.
Let us arrange the images on the cover. Please keep in mind to not stick them directly so that if need be, we could rearrange them later.
Thinking I should call up on her. I think it's odd how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her.
I had to rearrange everything, like flip it on the other side because the letters moved were being spelled backwards when I checked it from the front side of the cover. So that is what I'm doing. Now see how it looks here. It looks perfect. And now we're going to stick those.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
A few moments later.
So then, why?
This is our final result. If If you like the video, please do not forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel. It was very difficult.